Here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, still tracking some localized strong thunderstorms in some areas, some downpours. We've had some reports, I know, in West Warwick and Coventry around 5:15 this evening of some small pea-sized hail. And honing in on essentially Arcadia and out towards just north of Richmond, Rhode Island, southwest part of the state. So let's go to Doppler radar. The greens and yellows indicating some rain, but the little speckles of orange and red and purple indicating where some of the stronger downpours and some stronger storms are located. Roughly about another hour or two, this will be diminishing, and the remainder of the evening should be quiet. But we've been watching these strong cells over eastern Connecticut, across the Connecticut-Rhode Island border into Arcadia. Just north of Richmond and near Hope Valley. We have our cloud-to-ground lightning tracker turned down, so some lightning strikes. Get yourself oriented. Warwick, Providence, and then Richmond, Rhode Island, Route 95. And this is actually now approaching Exeter and eventually North Kingstown. We'll get in even closer. And you can see the little blip. It's a small storm, but certainly high impact in terms of downpours, lightning, a lot of thunder, and the potential for at least some small hail. Fortunately, staying below severe category, but certainly high impact. Now, we can actually take a cross-section of the storm, kind of like a CAT scan. We're getting real close here. And when we look at what we're looking at specifically is how tall up into the atmosphere. And you can see the height gradients right up in here, 10, 20, 30,000 feet. How tall into the atmosphere the storms are towering. At one point, this was up to about 30, 35,000 feet. The height has come back down now to about 20,000, indicating a slight weakening of this storm. But, you know, nonetheless, as we look at it in three dimensions, certainly high impact. And it is tracking off to the east-southeast towards Exeter and North Kingstown, which is right there in the next roughly 30 minutes. But fortunately, seeing some signs that it is weakening a little bit, but nonetheless, gusty wind potential for at least some small hail, and this will be approaching this precipitation towards the south coast in the next hour. I think once we get beyond 8 o'clock this evening, a lot of this activity should be winding down as this tracks off now to the east and southeast. It's actually quiet in Providence after having a downpour and a thunderstorm a little over an hour ago. It's in the middle to upper 60s, including 66. Very humid. It's led to some fog along the coastline. I think once we get beyond 8 o'clock this evening, the showers and thunder ending, the rest of the night should feature partly to mostly cloudy skies, warm and humid, and coastal fog should be an issue overnight right on through the early morning hours. Overall, your weekend is looking real good, and we're talking about a major warm-up. Now, early in the morning, some leftover clouds and fog, especially near the coastline, burning off to sunshine. Look at this rapid warm-up by late morning, mid-afternoon, or early afternoon. It is in the middle 80s. The beaches should top out in the 70s, but if you're going to grab a spot early at the beach around, say, 7, 8 a.m., there'll probably be some lingering fog, but it will lift to some sunshine. Inland areas, mid to upper 80s on a southwest wind at 10 to 20, and looking good across southeastern Massachusetts, Attleboro at 87, and getting even warmer, hot by Sunday. So each day, both Saturday and Sunday, a little fog at the beaches early, but it does burn off to sunshine. Look at Sunday at 91, 90 on Monday, 90 on Tuesday, 3 consecutive days of 90 or higher. That would make it an official heat wave. Your nighttime temperatures 60s and 70s. You have plans to be out this evening. Be patient. Probably another couple of hours before showers and any thunder starts to wind down. And watch for that fog along the coastline.
All right. Thank you, Tony. Coming up next in